Hi everybody, never done anything like this before, so thank you to everybody that's always really encouraged me in my drawing. I just got to the point where I just thought, well, you know, I'd love to show other people what I've learned in 14 years and try and speed things up because I think it can be done. And the way I draw now is so different compared to how I started. I want to try and make it as easy and fun and light as possible. I'm going to be learning too because I've never taught art before. I've never done an online course before, but it also is going to help you, I know. I just know it will help you. I just know it will. And I think you'll enjoy it. I'm going to give you all sorts of tips, how you can, you know, enjoy it more by not doing it too long at a stretch and stuff like that. I've learned the hard way. So, you know, I just want to help you enjoy it more, really. The other thing I wanted to mention is that because I'm older than you and I spent 14 years drawing, a lot of people I've noticed on YouTube and doing other courses, they are my age or older. They haven't got the time, they haven't got 14 years, possibly, to spend learning how to do teeny little strokes and making it all realistic. You can do that, but you can do it a quick way. And this is what I want to show you. It doesn't have to be tricky, it doesn't have to be hard, it doesn't have to be laborious, but it does have to be fun, for me anyway, and I think for most people. And so that's what I want to try and get across. It doesn't have to be exactly like I do it. I want to encourage you to do your own thing. You know, I really want to see pictures that you do that are going to be better than mine. That's what I'm aiming for. Anyway, I'm going to show you everything I know, all my extra tips that I'll throw in, philosophies in life probably, I'm afraid. Some of you might like and some may not. So yeah, anything you want to ask me, just write in the comments here. Yeah, let's go for it. And if you want to, just invite friends as well. Invite as many people as you want, as many people as you think might be interested. Most people want a picture of their pet. You know, tell me what you want. Put your vote in. Anything else? If I think of anything else, I'll just have to type it, because it's taken me a bit of courage to get up to do this. So yeah, if there's anything else you want to ask me, I'll get more confident about doing videos, and we can maybe just do a quick video if I've got anything to say. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to be making loads more process videos of my pictures that I've done over 14 years, because I've always taken pictures as the process goes for my own learning, really. It's a great learning tool, actually, it really is. One of the most important things before we even start to pick up pencils or materials is choosing our picture. That can make a world of difference. It means that it's a good picture. It doesn't have to be a fantastic quality picture, but the pose has to be good. It should be profile, or ideally looking straight at the camera, looking right into your eyes, and that's really, really special. I think I love those pictures. Also, nice light in a photo, not because of the quality, it's because of the light and shade and the interest you get in that picture. And if you get it right, you can make them look really real. They look really real because of the way they're lit. And it's just something that our brains make up and do the work for us, really. So your picture doesn't have to be really perfect, but the lighting, and I'll stress that, how to get that right. Okay, anyway, bye for now.